Ready to explore and reveal? Dive into today's question and uncover the answers together.
To play, Mary had a little lamb on the recorder. Use the following notes sequence: B, A, G, A, B, 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 A, B, D, D. Repeat the first part again. B, A, G, A, B, 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 A, B, A, G. This simple melody is perfect for beginners and helps in practicing basic notes and finger placements on the recorder.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.